Alex, you're talking in this video. It's
2019 Beta 300RR.
RR, yep.
It's a Trike now.
What's up, guys?
Welcome back.
It's beta time. Super excited about this one. So we've hit a lot of challenges on this build. Everything from oil injection tanks to getting the seat to work on this gas tank. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around. You guys can, I guess, see where we're at in this thing. We're getting the graphics on. We're getting this thing finished up in this video. And man, it's looking killer. So let's flip the camera around. Let's check it out. Alex went ahead and actually templated all this stuff earlier. And as you know, it's a giant hump. Well, actually, maybe people don't know because I haven't spent a lot of time with betas myself, honestly.
I think that's why I pulled the seat off the original dirt bike that we had.
Yeah, so let's zoom out here. So before we get the graphics completely on, we just want to show you guys some key features on this. So there's a giant hump in the middle of this gas tank. So we've got a TRX 450R front post right here for the seat to attach to, but it's really hard to get this seat to actually lay down to this. So Alex drew this up earlier. I welded it all together. RJ powder coated it. And of course my lovely wife got some graphics printed. Guys, this is basically what you're working with for a stock dirt bike gas tank. Now, there's no real clean way to do this other than if we wanted to cut the seat up and make it sit flat on this, we could have done that, but went ahead and designed this filler panel. Got some mounting locations back here. It's all mounted up here too, right where the shrouds go together. And it's of course slotted, so we can move this thing left, right, up and down, and get it tight to the seat. Man, what do you think? I think it looks friggin' factory. A little bit of creativity on our part to get this thing going. Other than that, we've got the oil injection system, which was mounted to the subframe. A lot of wires on this bike. Drew actually went ahead and built this whole subframe assembly, mocked it all up, got everything done. He built an airbox for this bad boy too, so we got a removable cover. And then earlier today, Alex actually drew up this guard right here. So we got a little guard for the oil injection system on here. And on this airbox, as you guys can see, there's a removable lid. So it's pretty sweet, super clean, definitely gonna look sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the graphics installed, get this thing finished up, and bring it outside, start it up, and get this thing out in the sun. Hopefully there is some sun today. It's been pretty cloudy, but stay tuned, guys. Let's get this done. Super pumped to ride this thing, so let's take this thing for a test ride. Got the graphics on. This bike is looking killer. Sick ass bike, man.
Sick.
I never rode a beta. I didn't ride it as a dirt bike, so might as well ride it as a three-wheeler.
This compared to your KTM 300.
This thing feels more like a YZ250 with more power. You know what I mean? It's a little torqueier. It's got a carburetor, a little bit more aggressive. Vibrates a little more than the 300 KTM. It's sick though. It's sick. Every once in a while, the stars align. You get a beta to work on. Right, Drew? Yeah, man, this thing it's hard to explain. Like, to me, it feels like a big bore 250R with like a 310 kit. That's how it feels to me. What do I know? You know what I mean? I've only had a couple. guys, so we've had a lot of questions about what year this bike is. What is it, a 2019?
It's 2019.
You're gonna, Alex, you're talking in this video. It's
2019
happening.
Beta 300RR.
RR, yep.
It's a Trike now.
It's the end of the day.
It's the end of the day. It's
Talking-
that time of day.
Talking's a hard time.
Talking is a hard time. We both had trouble talking today.
But yeah, we sniff a lot of you know, grinding dust and welding fumes and
Brake clean.
brake clean and vinyl fumes and water jet has a funny smell.
Water jet does have a funny smell.
All right, let's get serious. All right, guys. So you guys know we make Trike kits. Billet treble clamps. Drew went ahead and made a custom subframe for this bad boy. Of course, we added an air box on this one. We had to because of the way the intake boot was designed. Now, the hardest part about this was more or less like you guys saw in the beginning of the video, just getting this gap filled. So I think it turned out awesome. Comment, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, everything from your oil injection guard. She looks good, man. Got all the billet parts on here. Sprocket guard. Got the billet anti-fade. Got the disc guard. RJ loves welding folding foot pegs. We've only done a few thousand of them by now. Yeah, guys, everything's looking killer on here. Got all the mounts for the Speedo.
Of course, thumb throttle the world.
Yeah, we love thumb throttles. Why would we not put a thumb throttle on a three-wheeler? It's how they're supposed to be. Well, Alex doesn't know how to ride a three-wheeler at all anyway, right?
I don't know how to ride a bike. I can ride the Fat Cat's about it.
Billet hub. We're just having fun in this video, guys. Got some beadlocks on here. Only waited like 3 months for them. It's fine.
It's all fine.
They're on a ship, I think.
We're on a ship.
Time to start making those. Yeah. We also spaced up the gas tank just to get this kicked back. Really just worked out, honestly. Did a killer job, Drew. Good job, Alex. Good job, RJ. Your powder coat looks mint. Did you weld the swing arm or no? Hello? Every time we're
That swing arm, right? Yeah.
every time we're filming, somebody talks to us every time we're filming.
I know.
Every time.
Well, not everyone says a three-wheeler every day, so.
Is that what he's talking about?
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah. He asked him what it was.
That's cool. You guys gotta go to our website, bbctrikes.com. Insane Black Friday deals. I'm gonna insert a little clip at the end, kind of talks about it. If you missed the video talking about all the deals and the giveaways and gift cards and Trike kit giveaways, check that video out too. But I'm gonna hop back on this and bring this thing back inside, and that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Probably have something tomorrow, hopefully. Oh no, just kidding, it's Thanksgiving. Maybe we'll make a video.
We got a surprise for Christmas that'll be ready, I think, right?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Something's gonna happen. All right, guys, see you in the next video.
Don't forget about the Black Friday deals either.
You didn't know I already said it. You're gonna have that.
Now's the time to buy. 25% off. Up to.
Up to. Not everything.
Add to cart.
It's a crazy deal though.
Put it in the cart.
You get what, 20% off across the board, and then we throw in an extra $100 gift card. It's crazy. Never done this before. I don't even know. Can we even afford to do deals like that? I don't know. We're gonna be on the 4 for 4 Wendy's diet pretty soon because we're giving all these deals away.
And I already eat ramen every day, so it's fine.
It's whatever.
I'm gonna drink a bunch of these.
Yeah, it's fine.
Rockstars.
Lots of rock stars. We have so many orders last year. We appreciate all you guys. Wouldn't be here without you. Yeah, let's get your orders in and let's get you guys some Trike kits. Appreciate all the support.
Off into the sunset he goes.
You gotta have them try it, right?
Gotta have him try it.
All that work on the subframe. What do you think?
It's fun.
It's sick, right?
Yeah, I like it.
I think it's this guy right here.
Yeah.
It's a beta, man.
It's cool, man. I like it.
Oh yeah. Time to pull the Kodiak in. Out there.
Honey bun time.
We're getting some extended content in this video. Alex eating a honey bun.
Eating again.
I work sometimes. I'm mainly eating or taking shit.
Here.
He has to work 12 hours to get to 10 hours in because he's eating 2 hours a day. He likes to clock out too.
Get in my belly.
Yup.